yung overall context. We are blessed with so many things. Number one, richness and abundance in minerals that are critical. So kaya nga tawag nila critical minerals. And for our purposes, we are even working on a subset of the critical minerals called the green metals. Yung pinakamalalaking grupo dyan na talagang mayaman ng Pilipinas, yung nickel. And when you have nickel, you have cobalt. And then you also have copper. And when you have copper, you have gold. And some other minerals. Marami talaga tayo nun. And we are a significant global supplier of this. The other one is our young and talented Filipino workforce. Yung mga professionals natin to workers, globally recognized, magagaling, determinado, very talented, highly educated, and easy to train. Pagdating dyan sa resources, natural and human resources. And then, of course, yung geographic location natin, it's very strategic. But let me just focus on the critical minerals and the young and talented Filipino workforce. As I said, I just came from the OECD Critical Minerals Forum and they were saying, oh, how we envy the Philippines, you're so rich in critical minerals. Sinasabi ko, but that's just one side of the equation. The other side is that there is a big challenge for us because we have not been able to add value to these minerals that by and large we have been exporting our minerals in unprocessed form. And this is really a strategic objective. It's not just for Philippine government but for the Philippines as a whole. Sayang naman yung minerals natin kung i-export lang natin ng unprocessed. In effect, like sa nickel, lupa lang yung ini-export natin. And pag ginawa mo yun, you do not add value, but equally important, pag in-export mo yung nickel ng nickel ore, hindi mo na-valuehan yung cobalt na nandun and what other important minerals that are in that ore, nandun sa lupa na yun. Sayang talaga, we're losing out a lot. And that situation cannot continue on. That's why, for the longest time, we have been trying to attract investments in critical minerals processing. Halimbawa, in nickel processing. The whole global transition towards cleaner energy, cleaner technologies, has presented a good opportunity for us. Incidentally, yung minerals natin belong to the green metals. This is the grouping of metallic minerals that are important for batteries, wiring systems of electric vehicles. Yun yung nickel and copper. Yung nickel, importante sa baterya. Tapos yung copper, pag electric vehicle, consumes 40 kilograms more copper than an internal combustion engine type of vehicle. So talagang papunta dun yung mundo. And saktong-sakto, marami tayo nito.